honey, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw Garfield the kitten. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, Nanny Julie, and you won't miss my new cute drawing lessons. Now let's look at the picture. We can see a head, big cute eyes, nose, arms, body with legs and a tail. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of my paper and draw a big oval for Garfield's head. Wow, that's it! Now it's time for big cute eyes. Let us see shape on the left side. Over here, follow me. And backwards see shape on the right side. That's it, you're doing great. One circle for iris. And a smaller one for a pupil. That's it, you're doing great. One circle for iris. And a small one for a pupil. We add one more small circle inside pupil to finish an eye. Here and here. Follow me. We're gonna draw his nose, a small circle between his eyes. Great! And now his cheeks. Follow me. The first one and the second. Great! Two upside down U shapes for an ear. A big one and the smaller one. Good job! And here, big one and the smaller one. And now we're gonna draw his whiskers coming out. And it's 3 whiskers coming out on the top of his head. So there is one. And we're gonna draw another one right here to it. And the third one. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and take extra time. Now we're gonna repeat the same whiskers on the left side. We're gonna draw 3 of them. Great! Now let's draw his body right under his head. Follow me. That's it! Great! And a big raindrop shape for his tail. Over here, repeat after me. Now we're gonna draw his stripes. 3 stripes on each side of his cheek. And here. And some stripes for tail. That's the way to go! You did it! Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like. I choose black for eyes. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. I believe in you. And for whiskers. Oh, you're doing great. Here and here. On the right side. Oh, your Garfield is so cute. I like him. Then I choose pink for nose, tracing and coloring inside. Light orange for this part of cheeks. Here and here, try to stay inside the lines. Then I choose light brown for this part of ears. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Oh, you're doing great! Then I choose this brown for stripes on the left side and on the right side. And over here. You can choose any color you like. Then I choose orange for his ears, head, body and tail. Don't forget, try to stay inside the lines. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Oh, oops, it's broke. Oh, looking good! Then I choose brown again for this part of eyes, for iris. Wow, your Garfield is so good! I want to see it so much! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie art. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other video, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. See you, bye bye!